Will I be detained at the Canadian border if I try to cross? Lots of officers threaten to detain inadmissible travelers. In practice, this doesn't happen very much, unless someone is causing a disturbance, has tried to sneak in the past, or has been repeatedly told that they require documentation to enter Canada and has failed to provide that documentation. Most of the time, when an officer determines a person to be inadmissible to Canada, they are given the opportunity to withdraw their application to enter Canada, which involves signing a form and then either turning their car around or, if they're at the airport, being escorted by an officer to the ticket counter to purchase a ticket home. In cases of multiple refusals or undocumented travelers, they may be temporarily banned from traveling to Canada, for example for a year, or in more extreme cases they can be deported, which bans a person forever unless they apply for relief to return. Does this ever go away without me taking any action? If there's only one DWI on a traveler's record and more than 10 years have passed since the completion of their sentence, including probation and license suspension, which is typically between 90 days and 1 year on a first offense and non-felony in Texas, the person will be deemed rehabilitated, meaning they will no longer be inadmissible to Canada so long as they don't reoffend. This means that they do not require any permit to travel to Canada. I always recommend traveling with court documents showing successful completion of their sentence because the FBI is notorious for not keeping updated records. A person becomes inadmissible once again if they reoffend, and this is never an option for a person with multiple offenses or more serious offenses.